Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer that's about to revolutionize the way we decorate and advertise on walls. Imagine being able to instantly print full-color murals, logos, or designs directly onto any wall, whether it's at home, in the office, or on the high street. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Thanks to the professional 3D vertical wall printer, stable vertical printing, 2880 dpi for indoor walls and outdoor building decoration I1600. This incredible device is capable of transforming any wall into a vibrant work of art, and I'm excited to dive in and explore its key features. First off, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of this printer, its direct wall printing capability. With the ability to instantly print full-color murals, logos, or designs on walls, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a homeowner looking to add some personality to your living room, a business owner wanting to brand your office or shop, or an advertiser seeking to make a statement on a large scale, this printer has got you covered. Imagine being able to print a stunning mural in your bedroom, a company logo in your reception area, or a promotional message on the side of a building. The impact is huge, and the best part is that it's incredibly easy to use. Simply load up your design, select the wall you want to print on, and let the printer do its magic. Another key feature that really sets this printer apart is its multi-surface compatibility. Unlike other printers that are limited to specific materials, this device can work on a wide range of surfaces, including concrete, plaster, wood, tile, glass, and more. This makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor walls, giving you the freedom to get creative with your designs and decorations. Whether you're looking to add some color to your outdoor patio, brand your storefront, or decorate your interior walls, this printer can handle it. The implications are huge, especially for businesses and advertisers who want to make a big impact. Just imagine being able to print a giant logo or message on the side of a building, or create a stunning mural in a public space. Now, let's talk about the technology behind this printer, specifically the high-precision nozzle system. This system uses CMYKW 5-color high-precision printing to produce delicate and realistic images, faster than you ever thought possible. The result is a level of detail and color accuracy that's simply stunning. Whether you're printing an intricate design or a complex logo, this printer can handle it with ease. The high-precision nozzle system is also incredibly reliable, ensuring that your prints are consistent and of the highest quality. This is especially important for businesses and advertisers who need to maintain a professional image. The Servo Motor Control System is another feature that really impressed me. This system uses high-performance servo motors to achieve accurate movement, uniform image colors, and clear image quality. But what really sets it apart is its ability to automatically reset after a power outage, ensuring continuous printing stability. This means that even if the power goes out, your print job will resume right where it left off, saving you time and hassle. The Servo Motor Control System is also incredibly quiet and efficient, making it perfect for use in a variety of environments, from homes to offices to public spaces. Finally, let's talk about the laser positioning system, which is a total game changer. This system uses accurate laser positioning to ensure that your prints are perfectly aligned and positioned on the wall. This is especially important when printing large designs or murals, where even a small mistake can throw off the entire image. The laser positioning system takes the guesswork out of printing, ensuring that your designs are perfectly replicated on the wall. It's also incredibly adaptable, able to work with a variety of materials and environments, from smooth surfaces to rough textures. In conclusion, the professional 3D vertical wall printer is an absolute powerhouse of a device, capable of transforming any wall into a stunning work of art. With its direct wall printing capability, multi-surface compatibility, high-precision nozzle system, servo motor control system, and laser positioning system, this printer is the ultimate tool for anyone looking to add some creativity and personality to their space. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or advertiser, this printer has the potential to revolutionize the way you decorate and promote your brand. So, if you're ready to take your designs to the next level, be sure to check out the professional 3D vertical wall printer. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this incredible device. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and discoveries.